Having trouble installing Snapchat from the Google Play Store? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you the most common reason this happens and the simple safe fixes that can get Snapchat downloading again in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, take your phone and open the settings menu. Once you are in the main settings menu, scroll down a little, find the apps option, tap to open it. After open the apps page, scroll down or use the search bar at the top to easily find the Play Store. Here you can type Play Store. Once you found the Play Store app, tap to open it. After opening the app page info, look for the button here, click on the force stop option, then hit OK. After that, scroll down, go to the storage menu, tap on the clear cache, then tap on clear data and tap delete to confirm. Once it's done, simply back to home screen, restart your phone. To do this, long press the power and volume down button on your phone. After holding it, find the restart option, tap on it, then tap again to confirm and wait to completely restart your phone and back it on. After back on your phone, then open the Google Play Store app. After that, use the search bar at the top. Here, type Snapchat. Once you found the Snapchat app in the menu, simply tap on it. Then look for the install button, click on it and wait to complete the installation. And that's it. If this get help, leave a like and subscribe for more easy Android fixes and helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.